Here's a 2017 Lexus ES. Enjoy the exceptional, world-class luxury of this stunning sedan, filled with refined craftsmanship found in every single detail. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Smart device navigation, front heated and ventilated bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, power sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. Take it for a test drive today.
Cain Toyota, driving beyond your expectations. We're conveniently located at 6527 Whipple Avenue Northwest in North Canton, Ohio, just 10 minutes from the Pro Football Hall of Fame.